Hello, good morning. Hi, good morning. I'm trying to replace my mom's coil of the spark plug because it keeps on having a check engine. I already replaced the spark plug, so I'm just trying to replace it with a new coil, which is this one right here. I bought it in eBay for $50, I believe, 55. But if you buy this outside, it's like $29 each or 30. So here we go. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna take this out right here. This is the spark plug coil right here. There's four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you gotta disconnect the air filter hose